Did you know India's e-commerce market is set to cross $200 billion by 2026, yet millions of shoppers are still unaware of their digital rights? In this video, we break down everything you need to know, from India's key consumer protection laws, your rights when things go wrong, how to fight back against fake reviews, flash sale traps, data misuse, and much more. Whether you shop on Amazon, Flipkart, Meesho, or any other platform, this video is your ultimate guide to safe, smart, and legally empowered online shopping in India. Namaste and welcome back to Consumer Times, India's trusted voice for consumer awareness. I am your host Dr. Arun Kumar. Today, we are diving into a topic that affects every single one of you watching this, e-commerce and your digital consumer rights in India. You are not just a customer. You are a rights holder. And it is time you know exactly what those rights are. India's online shopping universe is exploding. According to industry reports, India's e-commerce market is on track to become a $200 billion industry by 2026, one of the fastest growing in the world. From groceries on Blinkit to electronics on Amazon, from fashion on Meesho to medicines on Pharmacy, we are living the digital shopping revolution. But with great convenience comes great responsibility, and unfortunately, great risk. Let's start with the most important question. What laws actually protect you when you shop online in India? The answer is several powerful ones. First, there's the Consumer Protection Act of 2019, which replaced the older 1986 Act and is specifically designed for the digital age. It addresses online fraud, defective products, misleading advertisements, and unfair trade practices. Critically, it mandates that every e-commerce platform appoint a grievance officer and resolve consumer complaints within 48 hours. If they don't, that itself is a violation. Second, the Consumer Protection, e-commerce, rules of 2020 go even further. These rules require platforms to display the identity and contact details of every seller, clearly show all charges including hidden fees before checkout, maintain a transparent return and refund policy, and prohibit flash sales that manipulate consumers through artificial scarcity and price inflation. Then there is the Information Technology Act of 2000, which handles digital contracts, cybercrime, and intermediary liability. The newly enacted Digital Personal Data Protection Act of 2023 is India's answer to global data privacy concerns, mandating explicit consent before any data collection. And finally, the Competition Act of 2002, which is enforced by the Competition Commission of India, targets predatory pricing and monopolistic behavior by large marketplace giants. Now, let's talk about what you are actually entitled to. Under Indian law, you have 6 fundamental consumer rights. The right to safety means no product sold online can be counterfeit, unsafe, or misrepresented. The right to information means every seller must disclose complete product details, origin, price breakdown, warranty, and seller identity. The right to choose protects you from algorithmic manipulation that nudges you toward higher priced or sponsored products without your knowledge. The right to be heard ensures your complaint must be acknowledged and addressed within 48 hours. The right to redressal means you can claim compensation, replacement, or a full refund for defective or misrepresented goods. And the right to consumer education is why channels like ours exist, because an informed consumer is the most powerful force in the marketplace. Let us be honest about what consumers face every day. Counterfeit goods, manipulative discounts, fake reviews, delayed deliveries, and refused refunds are rampant. Platforms use what regulators now call dark patterns, design tricks that make you accidentally subscribe to services, agree to data sharing, or pay more than intended. These are not just annoying, they are illegal under the 2020 e-commerce rules. Data privacy is another growing battlefield. Every time you browse, your behavior is tracked. Your location, preferences, and even financial habits are being monetized. Under India's new data protection law, platforms must get your explicit consent before collecting or sharing your data, and you have the right to demand deletion of your information at any time. If a platform violates your rights, here is your action plan. Start by contacting the platform's grievance officer. Their contact details must, by law, be displayed prominently on the website. If they fail to respond within 48 hours or you are unsatisfied with their resolution, escalate to the National Consumer Helpline at 1-800-11-4000, which is toll-free. You can also file complaints online at consumerhelpline.gov.in. For bigger disputes, approach your district Consumer Disputes Redressal Commission. Claims up to 1 crore rupees can be filed here at minimal cost. For cyber fraud and data breaches, the portal cybercrime.gov.in is your go-to destination. Always screenshot your purchase, save your invoices, and document every conversation with the platform. This evidence is golden when you escalate. India is building one of the world's most ambitious digital economies. The laws are getting stronger, the regulators are becoming more vigilant, and platforms are being held more accountable than ever before. But laws only work when you know them and use them. So the next time your refund is rejected, your delivery goes missing, or you receive a fake product, don't just accept it. You are not helpless. You are protected. You have rights. Use them. If this video helped you, please hit that like button, share it with your family and friends, and subscribe to Consumer Times for consumer alerts, legal updates, and money-saving tips. Because here at Consumer Times, we make sure the consumer always wins. Jai Hind.